Alrighty guys, it's Chris, Canopies and 4x4. We've got a quick little video for you today going through how to get one of our central locking kits fitted on one of the pre-2025 GWM cannons. You can tell if it's got the GWM symbol and not the GWM stamped in it, they don't have any central locking from factory. You can grab one at our site. Other than that, let's get right into it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are right back to where we started. Hopefully you enjoyed the fitting video. You guys can see it's pretty straightforward. Running the wire is kind of the most annoying part of the install, but hopefully this video gives you an exact idea on how to do it. Other than that, we'll go through it very quickly. Locked, unlocked, tailgate central locking. It does exactly what it says on the tin. I love stuff like that. Anyway, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We've got a lot more of these fitting videos in the pipeline, and we will see you next time.